Alright, so we just made it to John's aunt and uncle's. Got that Tomei. You excited?
I'm trying to open it.
We are under the car. We have just gotten these two bolts out here at the cat. Here's the cat. And then here's the Catback, which is the resonator and the mufflers down here. But we got these two out. They suck with the spring bolts. They suck because the spring always keep in tension. They're already rusty after 2 years. But all we need to do now, since this is loose, is take it off of the hangers. There's like a few hangers down here. So we're gonna get them off, get the exhaust down, take it out, and then we're gonna line the new one up with how this one looks and get the new one on.
Wow, look at that teamwork on my car. That's almost as big as your head.
Alright guys, we're gonna start this car with no exhaust. It's gonna be super loud.
My car.
Not wrong now.
Yeah, right. On the seat? I can hear the turbo! Yay! Cool!
That was like really quiet. Alright, so we got the Tomei all lined up the way they gotta go. She got the exhaust off. John is taking the exhaust apart so we can fit it in the car, hopefully, because we didn't think about that. I should have brought the 4Runner, but I brought the Subi. So that'll be fun. Yeah, so let's get this bad boy on this car and see what it sounds like. So we're under the car here. We got the mid pipe on, bolted up. And then we got to the axle back piece here, which inside here, I didn't film it, but inside on this pipe, the mid pipe, it was a little bent up right here, like a defect in the pipe. But we're hoping that it doesn't leak. We'll worry about that later. And then we're gonna get the main piece on, the muffler, and then you're gonna do the honors. All right, now you wanna get this piece right here, which also is bent. They've bent this.
Great.
There's a bend on that too?
Yeah, big time. Look
Really?
at this.
Oh, and this
Look
one?
at that.
This
Look,
here?
no, here. Maybe we should just fix. Maybe we should bend that first before we put it on. Take it out.
Yeah, that one you'll probably want
Yep,
to.
take it out.
Ah!
All right, Tomei, you're letting us down. Look at this here. It's very out of whack. So we're gonna do our best to try and bend that. I mean, as long as we just bend it out here, the clamp should be able to take care of the rest. 'Cause yeah, that's not.
Did you see if it will fit over?
I did not try, but I don't think it will because of this.
I don't think it's going to. But
We'll grab it with like vice grips and bend it out a little bit.
with
I have a heat gun.
On you?
It's in here.
She has a heat gun. I don't know if that'll help.
how hot does it get?
Very.
Yep, good
Not that I
idea.
would know, but.
Okay, grab it. Tomei, you're letting us down. Come on, man. Come on, Tomei.
Back end's pretty hot.
Yeah, right here.
What the heck you got all up in here?
A lot of stuff.
Okay, where'd you get a heat gun?
I needed it before.
Alright, we'll give that a try, heat it up, and then try and bend it a little bit into place. My phone records very well, like very well. I should use this for YouTube. Yeah. I mean, it's not new, but...
It has like a legit heat gun.
Alright, so if you guys see how it's not a perfect circle, right here where the heat gun is, we gotta bend this out a little bit. It's close, but we're working with it, trying to get it perfect. We shouldn't have to do this, Tomei, but...
Disappointing.
As long
I'll
as
take
it
some
sounds-
free t-shirts.
As long as it sounds good.
Ooh, maybe a hoodie. Yeah. I'll take a hoodie.
Oh, shh. Coming out like
hot.
Not terrible, but hot enough. Can't seem to get it.
Can't just shove it in.
Let me grab these ones.
That's what she said.
Let me try these
Okay.
guys. Let's see it. Let's check to see how it is.
Yeah, that's probably gonna catch on fire.
Might smell a little bit.
Crossing my fingers.
You want it like that?
Dude, it's as big as your head.
Got the exhaust on. Looks good. Perfect, yeah.
Your big head's in the way.
Got big head in the way. Oh, here. Alright, give her a little right, huh?
Damn!
It's smoking, it's gonna blow.
Ah!
Ready? Yep. You feel some out of this? This is a few months later. I'm a little startup here. It's pretty loud for just a Catback. Your thoughts on the Tomei? Are you happy with it or what?
It's alright.
Well,
I give it an 8 out of 10.
why is that?
It's not loud enough.
Well, you need a downpipe, but
And it came damaged.
it did come damaged.
Yeah.
And also, if you guys can hear this rattle, it rattles. So I don't know. I think it's just a heat shield, but we're gonna end up fixing that. We'll just do exhaust heat wrap, won't rattle as much. But yeah, that's the Tomei install on Alyssa's car. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.